Noise pollution. The definition of noise pollution is a harmful or annoying level of sound. Concerning facts, noise pollution has killed 1/5 of our jungle's inhabitants. If you listen to a noise over 85 decibels and you listen to it for a long time, it can have long-term effects to toddlers and infants, and it also may cause short-term damage to adults. The noise level in megacities has increased from around 20 to 25% over the past 20 years. How to stop some noise? The best ways to stop major levels of noises escaping or entering your house or apartment is insulation, soundproof glass, and cement walls. There is a big difference between glass and soundproof glass. Glass has a single glaze, whereas soundproof glass can have up to 5 glazes on it, and also have a glass space in between, which is a pocket of air, otherwise known as a spacer. Even soundproof glass has a breaking point. The glass will eventually break if it reaches a high enough frequency. The scatterplot below shows the peak level of soundproof glass. As you can see, there is a clear, positive, linear correlation between the thickness of the glass and the level of sound. Given this trend, one can predict that the glass will not be able to stop the increasing noise pollution levels, and over the next 32 years, people living in older houses will have a higher chance of losing their hearing. However, because this prediction is being extrapolated, it may not be entirely reliable.
This scatterplot shows the number of pedestrians injured in Victoria in a transport accident over the past 10 years. As you can see, there is a clear negative linear correlation between the number of people injured over the course of 10 years. Looking at the scatterplot, you can see that it has a strong connection. Given this trend, one can predict that the number of pedestrians injured in Victoria in transport accidents will decrease by 2050. However, because this prediction is being extrapolated, it may not be entirely reliable. This scatterplot shows the number of pedestrians injured in Tasmania in a transport accident over the past 10 years. As you can see, there is no clear correlation between the number of people injured over the course of 10 years. Looking at the scatterplot, you can see that it does not have a strong connection. Given that there is no trend, it's difficult for one to predict that the number of pedestrians injured in Tasmania in transport accidents will increase or decrease by 2050. However, with the new car safety features now being placed in cars, this advancement in car safety has made people more aware, and by 2050 there could be a possible decrease in the number of pedestrians injured in Tasmania in transport accidents.